After sanding and cleaning the piece off from the debris, I then applied my wax. It's my sealer. It's DIY Paint's Clear Wax. This wax is so special. It's buttery smooth. I applied a very thin layer using my Paint Pixie Wax Brush. And as you can see, it goes really fast and it's so easy to use. To age this piece, because it had a lot of crevices on the top and it had a unique texture, I went ahead and I used a brand new product called the DIY Paint Dark and Decrepit Dust. We have two colors. We have dark and we have white. Since I painted my piece in white, I used the dark because I wanted those crevices and the cracks to show up and to age the piece. I applied it with the clear wax. I just put a little bit goes a long way. And as you can see, I just applied it on my brush and then I applied it directly to my trunk. Instantly, it ages the piece. I could have used dark wax or even dark and decrepit liquid patina, but the dust adds a really subtle aging and it's so super cool and so easy to use. This was my first time using it and I really enjoyed it. You can purchase DIY paint, the wax, or the dust through my affiliate link provided below. As you can see, I only use very little amounts of the DIY wax. A little bit does go a long way. I covered the entire trunk in the wax with very little dust to get a beautiful finish.